When selecting a location for a garden in the backyard, consider these ideas to maximize both aesthetics and privacy. Choose an area that receives ample sunlight for most of the day, as many plants thrive in sunlight. Be unmindful shade patterns created by exciting and structures of trees. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and also family members. Position the garden close to your house to easy access. This enhances visibility and allows you to enjoy a garden from indoor spaces. Create a scene of salutation and placing the garden in the corner along the fields. Consider tall plants or shrubs for added privacy and wind protection. Ensure easy access for maintenance. Docks a garden near door or pathway simplifies and watering, weeding and harvesting. Design the garden around exciting features like a tree, water features or gazebo. This adds visually interested in the garden with an overall backyard design. So if you are new here, so please like the video, or if you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Pick a spot with the ample sunlight and clearest view. Choose a gazebo style and complements your outdoor space. Opt for a comfortable and weather-wise features. Include prevents like roses, daisies and lavender for a continuous blues. Wagon shrubs provide year-round greenery. Consider plant shade providing trees like oak or maple for a more extended garden appeal. Ensure well-managing soil and shade as a compost. Be consist water deeply but avoid waterlogged conditions. Mulch around plants retain moisture and suppress weeds. Regularly trim plants to maintain shape and promote growth. Keep a garden free for weeds to prevent competition for nutrients. Use balanced fertilizer or nourish plants during the growth season. Remember to personalize your garden based on your performance and the local climate. Enjoy the process of the tranquility of your garden will be bring your outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design inspiration and share your own garden performance and backyard in the comment below. Until next time, happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.